Hey guys, it's Aaron here from Peats. As you can see, we've received some pallets of TP-Link stock. We tried to have as much stock on hand here as possible. We're gonna pop inside now where it's a bit cooler and let you know about our Omada summer promo. Okay guys, we're back indoors now. The AC is rolling, so we're good to go. Our promo offer this month is you get a free OC200 hardware controller whenever you purchase any 4 Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 access points. If you've ever done a Wi-Fi installation before and used an OC200, you'll know it simplifies the entire process. It allows you to mass adopt all your devices together and set them all up in one go. Also, I suppose the key thing is remote management for troubleshooting or anything you may need. If you pop into Peats, we'll be more than happy to discuss your Wi-Fi needs and show you around. Check out our website for more information, and thanks for watching.